Frosty goes thump, Fairy goes tink, Scrooge goes bot, and the mouse goes shh. Grinch goes who, angels go ah, and the Nutcracker goes chomp. Jack goes nip, and Ghost go boo, and the Claus goes ho, ho, ho. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the reindeer say?
Jing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, jing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, jing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
What the reindeer say?
Rum-pum-pum-pum-pum-pum-pum, rum-pum-pum-pum-pum-pum, rum-pum-pum-pum-pum-pum-pum.
What the reindeer say?
Hotty, hotty, hot cocoa, hotty, hotty, hot cocoa, hotty, hotty, hot cocoa.
What the reindeer say? What the reindeer say? Big brown eyes, pointy ears, playing games and shedding tears. Tiny hoofs up the roof, magically all there like poof.
Your nose is red, so beautiful, like a lighthouse in disguise. But if you meet a naughty troll,
will you give to him some or will you give to that troll?
What does the reindeer say?
What the reindeer say? What the reindeer say? What the reindeer